Cascais, aided by local residents, hundreds of Portuguese firefighters scrambled on Tuesday to put out flames sweeping across a natural park near the popular holiday destination of Cascais, with strong winds complicating efforts to tackle the blaze. The wildfire started at 5 p.m. 1600 GMT in a mountainous area that is part of the Sintra Cascais Natural Park, which covers around 145 square kilometers, 56 square miles, of land and is located west of the capital Lisbon.